So I want to make a cheap, very cheap ceiling lamp that can rotate and turn in any direction. And I thought maybe I can use one of these. It's a fake security cam, whatever. I already harvested the battery bay. I'll use that for a charger. And yeah, only one screw holds up the main body of the camera. So let's just remove that. Hopefully. Yes. And simply mount a light socket, or what do you call it? Light socket. Edison 27, E27. So I'll need a screw here. Oh, there's no hole in the middle. That would be the ideal position. So then I'll probably use this long hole and put a screw in there. I have to check where do I have one of those screws with a lug nut. And it has to be the appropriate length. Or maybe I can just glue it. Or like this. Yeah, it would stand a lot better like this. And then if you turn this, it is free and you can position it wherever you want. Okay, so I need that screw. Be right back. So I found a screw, but its head is too big. So first I'm going to check if it can go in the other way around to have the lug nut inside. Oh, it doesn't fit in the... What? Where's the screwdriver? Or should I do it by hand? Yeah, it works by hand. So I would put it in here. Oh, maybe the length is okay. I thought I had to get the grinding wheel to grind some of the head, but I think it will be okay. So that's how long... Yeah, I think it's okay. Perfect. It's not even close to being too long. Okay. And the two wires, I mean the two contacts, wires, whatever, where you put the wires, that can remain open, I mean accessible. Perfect. Okay, then I can screw it in. Hopefully. I put in the lug nut. Hopefully. Oh, and how do I screw it in? I need a bigger screwdriver. Or maybe a small one, but use it differently. Let me see. There are all kinds of tricks when you are too lazy to get a different tool. You can just use one of these and put it in half of it. Yes. Now straighten it like that and tighten maybe a little, not too much because this is ceramic. So yeah. So originally I wanted to paint it, but maybe I leave it as is and maybe paint just the ceramics black, and black will go with silver, hopefully. So now I can put in a light bulb that has the bulb part removed, so it will be a reflector, or what do you call it, spotlight. It only shines in one direction, and I can adjust the angle almost vertical, and yeah, twist it, perfect. So this will be a solution for a ceiling mounted light. What am I missing here? Is it that easy, really? Well, I guess it is. I just have to wire it up. I have some really thin cable here. It's only 0.5 square millimeters, which means that it can support up to 600 watts or 3 amps, and only if it's not too long. So 3 amps and 220 volts, that's roughly 600 watts. But for a light, this I will only use LED bulbs, and which are around 10 watts, so no problem. This is perfect for that. Let's see how they packaged it. Oh boy, it kind of pushed on the exterior insulation, and it doesn't want to come apart. Usually you just pull on it, and yeah, okay. So this is 10 meters, and I need, oh yeah, it damaged it here a bit, so I need 2 meters. Oh, also here some marks and some yellow here. Yeah, this was $2. 10 meters, $2. So this is 1 meter and another meter. Let's cut it and let's see where it can fit properly. So when it was a security cam, it had a fake cable coming through here, but I won't be going there because it will be mounted on the ceiling as is. So the base plate is out of the question, but I can come, yeah, I don't know, it doesn't improve anything. I'll just go directly there and then maybe put it on, zip tie it somewhere. Or just come from here. That would be optimal if I can make it stand in a semicircle like this. Whatever. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So yeah, just basic amateur electronics here. I mean electrical work, not even electronics. Yeah. Let's remove this. Ooh, tiny wires. You have to be careful not to make them even thinner, but yeah, they are kind of okay. If you look, they don't look that thin. They're okay. I've seen thinner wires used in 1,000 watt home appliances. So yeah, this is perfect. So let's put some solder on it because I don't use those clamp things. I just use solder and then tighten the screw onto the solder. That will hold very well. Very well. One. Wait, come on. Two. So let's put them into, oh yeah, I will just loosen this a bit. It doesn't have to be tight right now. I loosen this to put in the wires, which will come here or through. Oh, I can put it through the hole. Okay, new idea. I put it through the hole. Yeah, then I have to remove the screw. Come on, it's not that hard. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, this is in a funny angle. Yeah, okay. Come on. It went a lot faster in the other direction. Okay, so this hole is recessed, so there's enough space for the cable to go both sides. And yeah, it will be something like this. Yeah, they reach. Let me just get that whisker, solder whisker. That's in a bad place there. Okay. So put them in, maybe pull back the screw a bit. And put it in, tighten the screw. Yes? Or am I on the insulation? I can't see. Nope, I'm good. I'm on the wire, I mean on the soldered wire. So tighten it not too hard because it's solder. It's kind of soft. And the other one. Perfect. I mean, you know, acceptable. So then let's just put in the screw. And the wires will stay there. Perfect. Okay. Oh, I can even push this in because there's enough space. As it was before, pushed into the hole. And it will go up or sideways. Okay. The wires have enough space there. So let's put in the lug nut. straight, maybe, and then turn. Hey, I said turn. Ooh. What am I doing wrong here? I need a better screwdriver, or just one of these pieces of metal. Is it in? No. Why does it move? What's going on here? Stand on the screw and let me... What? Now it's in. Okay. I was worried there for a moment. Tightening a screw, tightening a screw. I don't feel like getting a screwdriver. Tightening a screw. Yeah, it's almost tightened. Okay, so to make it look a bit nicer, I can feed some more wire here, and yeah, doesn't look too bad, but yeah, a $2 solution for a $50 problem.